Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to mute apps on Windows. So here on your Windows desktop, you're going to be looking at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you have the taskbar and you can see some options here. So you're going to tap on the area where you have your battery, your speaker and your Wi-Fi connection. You're going to right click on it and then you're going to click on Open Volume Mixer. So when you click on Open Volume Mixer, you're going to have some options here. Right here, you can see the apps, and this is going to show you the current apps that are open. And you can also see the volume of each app. So you can decide to reduce the volume of each app independently without affecting others, like so. And you can also have the other option of simply clicking on the speaker. So when you click on the speaker, it shows that you can actually mute the app. That means whatever you do on this app or whatever notifications you might have on this app, it will be muted. So you can decide to do this for any app. However, if you would like to completely mute all apps on your Windows device, here's one very good option. So over here where you have the date, you also have the notification icon that looks like a bell. So when you tap on it and you go to the top, you're going to see that notifications has the do not disturb on. So of course, because of this recording, I have to do this, but of course you could simply tap on it and then you can see that do not disturb is currently off. This means that any app that I have can easily give me a notification. But when I tap on it, you can see that do not disturb is currently on. That means that all my apps are muted from notifications. However, you're going to be seeing the notifications here silently. So this is how to mute apps on Windows.